Welcome to Bluepark V2, the brand new, completely revised theme system. Having listened to your feedback, we've added almost 100 updates and features to help your online shop perform faster, be completely responsive, and encourage more sales. By completely rewriting the theme framework, we've removed lots of outdated legacy code to ensure the speed of all Bluepark sites has vastly improved. In turn, this will improve your customers' experience, encourage repeat customers, help to increase conversion rates, comply with Google's requirements for user-friendly modern websites, and help to improve Google rankings. All of our V2 themes are set up with e-commerce best practices, so all you need to do is update the colours to your branding and you're good to go. Along with the many changes that function behind the scenes, there's lots of updates and new features that you'll see within your admin panel and on the website. For instance, the slideshow block has been enhanced with the ability to add videos, animate the text, change the styling of the controls, and specify how each slide is displayed on mobile. Products have been significantly improved with the ability to add unlimited images and variant images, being able to view all images directly from the category page, display colour and image swatches, add video within the image area itself, and much more. This is only the tip of the iceberg, but you can find a full list of V2 changes by clicking on the link in the description below. The first thing to understand is a V1 theme can't be upgraded simply by clicking a button. Instead, you will need to use one of our new built-in V2 themes clearly labelled within the theme library. You can then add your logo, header links if needed, and display your telephone number all within the theme overview area. Footer links are now controlled within their own section within the design menu, and social media links are added within the social media tab in integrations, making it easier to add and amend these without having to go into the theme itself. If your site is already live, you can create and edit your new theme by ensuring it's not set to default. You can then preview it using the magnifying glass icon within the theme. As always, all V2 themes are completely free and available directly within your admin panel. We will be adding new themes continually over the next few months, so you don't have to upgrade immediately if you don't see one that fits your brand. However, we strongly recommend that you do upgrade sooner rather than later. If you choose not to, your site will continue to function as it currently does, but you won't benefit from any of the new V2 improvements and features, or any further design updates going forward. If you have any questions about our V2 themes, check out the links in the description below, or get in touch with our Bluepark Support team. And make sure you click on the subscribe button for more e-commerce and Bluepark tips and advice.